skill number 8, donning and removing PPE. So for this, for what you need for supplies are going to be just your gown and of course 1 pair of gloves. So I'm going to start. I'm going to go ahead and you're outside of the room, so you're going to just pick up the gown and unfurl it, making sure that the nothing touches the floor. I'm going to turn it in, with the inside toward me. I'm going to go ahead and put on my sleeves one by one. Okay, making sure that it's pretty secure. I'm going to grab hold of my strings here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tie downwards at the neck, and making sure that it covers completely my uniform at the neck. Okay, I'm going to leave some small, I'm going to leave the bow small, but these longer so that I can get to them easily. Now I'm going to smooth the back, and I'm going to go ahead and tie at the back in the same manner. Come on. Why can't I get it? There we go. Is it tight? No. Still didn't tie it.
It is.
Is it tight? Oh, shoot. Sorry. I might have to start over, shoot. Okay. There we go. Okay. And again, like I said, tying in a small bow so that I can get to the strings easily. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull this down just a little bit, and I'm going to place the glove on. And I'm going to place the glove on over the gown, like so. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my second one, doing the same thing on the other hand. These are medium gloves, darn it. Okay. Now that I have this, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I'm showing the examiner. And so now I'm going to remove the PPE. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up, because this is going to be on the opposite hand that I'm going to start with. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this down, always pointing down, and then going under to avoid cross-contamination, and taking those off very gently and very slowly, placing those in the designated trash. I'm going to go ahead now and go to the back. And again, I'm going to release those ties. If you're a little bit shorter and the ties might hit the floor, you can put them here. But if not, you can let them hang. Then I'm going to go up top, and again, remove the top part. And with this one, I'd want to kind of keep hold of the strings, because I'm going to go ahead and pull this forward. And letting it drop, I'm going to go ahead and start rolling this down so that the outside of the gown does not contaminate the inside. And coming down again, not letting the outside touch. I'm going to go ahead and roll this down, making sure not to come in contact with the outside of the gown. I'm going to place that in the designated dirty trash, and I'm going to wash my hands. Skill is complete.